Welcome to GPTPro.biz, where you can try out the latest ChatGPT Plus models for free without entering any payment info. These models include DAL E3, GPT-4 Turbo with web search and OpenAI's text-to-speech HD. Now I'll give you a demo starting with creating a stunning image from text. I entered a short description of the image I wanted. Now I'm having her hold some flowers. Let's change the style to Impressionist Painter Renoir. And finally to a cyberpunk style. That looks cool.
We can also upload an image and ask it to make a variation of that image's theme.
I just asked it to replace the tiger with a Kung Fu master.
Now I'll switch to Create Text-to-Speech and select my desired voice.
You can make great video voiceovers.
I am uploading an image to analyze and asking ChatGPT what I should cook for dinner based on the contents of this photo of my refrigerator. Here I'm uploading a 38-page research paper on how ChatGPT can help children become better learners in school and asking ChatGPT to summarize it. ChatGPT is also great for proofreading and writing emails, blog posts, and documents, and for answering your work and personal questions. So try GPTPro.biz for free and see what you can create.